What if I told you that your next fashion inspiration could come not from a high-end designer, but from an artificial intelligence? Intriguing, isn't it? Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been making waves in numerous industries, and surprisingly, fashion is no exception. It's important to understand that AI isn't just a tool for automation. It's a creative partner with an uncanny knack for originality. Imagine an entity that can devour countless fashion images from every era, every style, every trend, and then with a dash of digital magic translate them into unique designs. From chic, minimalistic patterns to bold avant-garde masterpieces, AI has the capability to dream up designs that are not just beautiful, but also beyond the ordinary human imagination. So the next time you're admiring a stunning outfit, remember, it might just be the brainchild of an AI. Clearly, AI is becoming a fashion guru in its own right, transforming the way we create and perceive style. Ever wondered how your favorite brands always seem to know exactly what you want to wear next season? The secret lies in AI and its incredible predictive abilities. Imagine a world where the pulse of fashion isn't just dictated by seasoned designers, but also by sophisticated algorithms. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has seamlessly woven itself into the fabric of the fashion industry, transforming it from the drawing board to the runway. At the heart of this transformation is AI's ability to meticulously analyze colossal amounts of data. This isn't just any data, but a rich tapestry of information gathered from online searches, social media interactions, and even global weather patterns. By processing this data, AI can detect emerging patterns and preferences long before they hit the mainstream. For instance, if there's a sudden spike in searches for neon colors on social media platforms, AI tools can highlight this trend to fashion brands. These brands, in turn, can start incorporating neon into their upcoming collections, staying a step ahead of consumer desires. Moreover, AI goes beyond just identifying popular colors or